Slovak lesson today will be about consonants, today about consonant F, G and Y. As I already mentioned, most Slovak consonants have very similar pronunciation to their English counterparts. First consonant is F, F. So the word film or movie is in Slovak film, F, film. English word fine, English adverb fine, how are you, I'm fine, is in Slovak fine, fine. The word pipe is in Slovak fajka, fajka. I will read the words again. Film, fine, fajka. Okay, next consonant is consonant G, G. So a verb honk is in Slovak gágať, gágať. The verb honk is in Slovak gágať, gágať. The noun gander is in Slovak gunár, gunár. So the noun gander is in Slovak gunár, gunár. The noun button is in Slovak gombík, gombík. Let me read the words again. G, gágať, gágať, which is honk. Gunár, gunár. In English, gander. Gombík, gombík. In English, button. And last Slovak consonant practice today will be y, y. So the pronoun I is in Slovak ja, ja. Phrase my bag is in Slovak moja taška, moja taška. And the noun food or meal is in Slovak jedlo, jedlo. Let me read the words again. J, ja. Moja taška, jedlo. I want to read them all once more. So, F, film, fine, fajka, G, gágať, gunár, gombík, J, ja, moja taška, jedlo. And a little bit of social Slovak today. We will practice a formal dialogue. So we'll be talking to people who we are unfamiliar with. Conversation in English is how are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? Thank you. I'm fine too. Goodbye. Goodbye. In Slovak, it is ako sa máte? Ďakujem, dobre. A vy? Ďakujem, tiež dobre. Dovidenia. Dovidenia. So phrase, how are you, if we are addressing people we are unfamiliar with, is in Slovak ako sa máte? The phrase I'm fine, thanks is in Slovak ďakujem, dobre. The question and you is in Slovak a vy? Thank you. I'm fine too. Ďakujem. Tiež dobre. Goodbye. Dovidenia. Goodbye. Dovidenia. I will read the phrases in English and then in Slovak. How are you? Ako sa máte? Ako sa máte? I am fine, thanks. And you? Ďakujem, dobre. A vy? Ďakujem, dobre. A vy? Thank you, I'm fine too. Goodbye. Ďakujem, tiež dobre. Dovidenia. Ďakujem, tiež dobre. Dovidenia. Goodbye. Dovidenia.